Good evening, wonderful family. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by. In today's video, I want to share with us some of my products. Okay, some people have been requesting for this video that I should show them some of the products I have. Okay, so I want to share with us some of my products. Some of them are not available now, but I want to show us the ones that are available. Okay, if there is time, I will tell us the uses of one or two of them. Okay. Yes, the first one I have here, this is my favorite soap. Okay, it's very, very effective for anything that has to do with favor. Okay, I think most of you have seen testimonies concerning this powerful soap. Okay, by the grace of God, it's affordable and effective. Okay, another one I have here is my attraction soap. Okay, this is for mostly for people that want to be attracted to the opposite sex. Okay, they want to be attracted by very, very attractive to people. If you're the type that always experience this hatred and all that, by the grace of God, when you start using this soap, you find yourself being attractive. People want to associate with you. Okay, it's very, very effective by the grace of God. Another one I have here is my anti-poison. This is my anti-poison solution for those that complains of moving objects in their body. This is the tested and trusted. Okay, for moving objects, for poison, both the ones you ate physically and the ones you ate in the dream that is affecting you. By the grace of God, once you get this bottle, I will tell you how to use it, and it's very, very effective. Okay, another one I have here is my charm destroyer. This is my charm destroyer water. It's very, very effective. Okay, for those that stepped on poison, or you notice that somebody dropped something in front of your house or in front of your shop. Okay, or the people will come to your shop, you see a kind of things you don't understand. Okay, some people will tell me that somebody is greeted in front of their shop. That is an evil mark, an evil omen. Okay, so if you have this charm destroyer, just use it and wash that place and go your way. Nothing will happen to you. Whatever that person did will go back to the person immediately. Okay, so it's as effective as that. This is my generation curse destroyer. Okay, it's a soap. You can see it ladders. Okay, for those that is facing curses, be it foundational curse, generational curse, by the grace of God, when you use this scrub, it's going to help you clear those curses that you don't know how you came in contact with it. Okay, it's very, very effective for anything foundational cause, generational causes. I talk about it a lot on the channel, so I have a product for it. Okay, then this is my spiritual spouse oil. Okay, it has the soap. Sorry, let me get the soap. This is the soap. Okay, and this is the oil. I have the stone too. Okay, but I didn't bring it out here. So it comes in a set. Okay, it has the perfume. It has the This is the oil. The perfume is not available now. I'm still preparing it. This is the soap. Okay, it's very, very effective for people battling with spiritual spouse. Okay, by the grace of God, once you start using it, you will no longer experience that. Okay, yes. Then I have another one, out of bondage water. This is my out of bondage water for those that I know that is caged, that is in bondage, okay, that want to be free from such bondages. This is the solution for it. Okay, when you buy, I will teach you how to use it. Another one I have here is my business boom perfume. Okay, it's very, very effective. I know most of you have seen testimonies concerning this perfume. Okay, it's very, very effective, and this is the soap. Okay, it's very, very effective and affordable. Okay, another one I have here is my attraction perfume. Okay, this is my attraction perfume. It has the soap. I think I've showed the soap here. This is the soap and this is the perfume. They are very, very effective. They goes together. Okay, I equally have the oil. So if you have the money to buy the set, that is powerful. But if you don't have, this two is okay for you. Very, very effective for attraction. Okay, I want to eat enough rice this ember month, so our singles, this is for you. Okay, Emeka London is coming back John US is coming back, so I want to eat enough rice, please. People should come and buy, okay, so that I'll be the mother of the day. Okay, this is I shall not die young. For those that have premature deaths in their family, there are families that battle with this spirit of premature death. Okay, the oldest person in their family 50 years, that is the end of the person. Okay, there are families like that. There is a case I'm handling now. Okay, so by the grace of God, this solution will help you end that premature death. Once you start using it with your family, you don't save yourself alone, save the family. Okay, you have to combine it with the foundational cause because it's a foundational issue. Okay, so that is why some of you, when you asked about my products, I don't just give out one product, and there is a way I combine my product to have a better, and for it to be more effective. Okay, so I don't just give you this one, I have the one for foundational concerts. As you're ending the premature death, you uproot it from the roots. Okay, yes. Another one I have here is my connection water. For those that is into business that want to be connected to top business people. Okay, or you are just alone, you want to have connections, there is water to it, there is water for it. Okay, you need to be connected to the right people, not people that will go and teach you how to do blood rituals. No, that is not the kind of connection I'm talking about. People that will connect you, for you to excel in life. When they have business ideas, they will call you and introduce you to it, not the ones that will take you to go and bring your mother for or your father for rituals. That is not the kind of connection I'm talking about. Please, that one is not connection. Okay. So another one I have here is my anti-witchcraft oil. For those of you that wake up in the morning with marks on your body, people beating you, people fighting you in the dream, this is the solution for it. Okay. Once you start using it the way I will instruct you when you buy it, by the grace of God, you will not see those things again. It's very, very effective and affordable. Okay, another one I have here is my attackers. Okay, for those that get attacked in the dream, even physically. Okay, this perfume is very, very effective for it. Okay, those that attack you spiritually, they can no longer access you once you start using this product. Okay, yes. Another one I have here is my back to sender. This is my back to sender oil. Very, very effective. Okay, you can see the soap. This is the soap. I have the oil too. Where did I even keep the oil? Okay, I have the oil. I don't think I brought it out here. Okay. No, this is the oil. I have the perfume. I didn't bring out the perfume. So this is the soap, the oil, the perfume is inside. Okay, I forgot to bring it out. Okay. So another one is my good luck. This one is for those that have ocho, bad luck, disappointment, setback, stagnation. I talk about it a lot on this channel. This is the water for it. Okay, when you buy, I will teach you how to use it. Very, very effective. People that have mask of hatred, mask of rejection, in my language is called ocho. It's a very, very bad thing. Gens, you can google it to know what it means. Gens, okay, is a kind of curse. A man will come to for your hand in marriage, the next day the man will disappear. Ocho is very, very deadly. Okay, this is the solution to it by the grace of God. Okay, another one I have here is my good luck and success water for those in business. Okay, for those that want to write exams, for those that want to progress, by the grace of God, this water will help you when you use it the way I instruct you to use it. Okay, another one is my anti-witchcraft oil water. For those that always fight in the dream, eat in the dream, by the grace of God, when you start using this anti-witchcraft water to bath, you will not experience that. Even people that wake up with marks, okay, they go together. This is the oil and this is the water. Okay, they go together. I equally have the soap. Okay, I didn't bring out the soap here, but I have anti-witchcraft soap. Okay, then this is my sea salt. I didn't produce this. Other ones I produced. These are the one I bought this one in the market. Okay, for those that ask where they can get sea salt, I have for sale. Another one I have here is my favor oil. Okay, for those of you that don't always have favor, you do good for people, they don't do good for you in return. This is my favor oil. You need to be favored. Everybody needs favor, including myself. Okay, so when you use it the right way, you will see yourself being favored by by man and woman. Okay, yes. Another one I have here is my anti-poison balm. For those that step on poison, that feel marks, pains on their legs and all that, it's very, very effective for anything that has to do with charm. Okay. Yes. Then the next one I have here is my curse breaker powder. Okay. Very, very, very effective. This curse breaker powder can do so many things. Okay. You can use it for curse breaking. You can use it for spiritual husband and spiritual wife. You can use it for ancestral curses. You can use it for bad luck. People that have bad luck, you can use it to activate your bad luck to make it to start having good luck. Okay. You can use it to attract good things to your life. It's a very powerful powder. Okay. I made it in powder form so that anybody, because there are some countries that don't allow us to send something in liquid content, so I have to make this particular one in powder form so that when you buy it, I will teach you how to use it or how to mix it and use it for anything you want to use it for. Okay. Yes, it's very, very effective. Then this one is my command powder. Okay. This powder, there is a lot of testimonies on this powder. I'm even tired of posting testimonies. Okay. This powder, you can use it to compel anybody to do your wish. Because those people that people owe, when somebody owe you money, you don't need to fight them. I keep saying you don't need to fight people to get your money from them. Okay. You don't need to start wasting your money calling police. Okay. You will use this powder to tell them to bring your money, they will bring it to you. Or even that when that person doesn't have that money, that person will go and borrow and come and pay you. Okay. Or your neighbor is always fond of looking for your trouble, you use this powder to compel that person to stop looking. When that person see you, the person will be looking at you without uttering a words to you. Okay, so everything is not fight and physical combat. There are ways to trash demons away from your life with natural remedies. Okay. Then another this importance of this powder: if somebody accused you wrongly, you can use this powder to compel that person to say the truth. So the powder is very, very powerful. I call it my do as I say powder, or command powder, anyone you want to call it. Is very, very effective. People that bought this powder can attest to it. Or you're a contractor, when people call you for contract, they will jones you, they won't call you back again. Use this powder to torment them. They will call you and give you that contract. Okay, but please do not use it for negatively. Use it positively. That is the essence of producing it. If you use it negatively, it's not going to work for you. Don't use to go and collect somebody's money by force. Please collect the one that belongs to you. Okay. And for those that have stingy uncles and aunties that don't give them money, you can use this powder to make them give you money, but don't force them. Okay. Just use it to beg them spiritually. By the grace of God, they will give it to you. Okay. Yes, I have so many of them. I equally have this is incense. These ones I didn't produce them, I bought this one in the market. I have so many of them. This is my attackers. I have the oil, the one I produce myself. This is my crowd cooler. Okay, it goes with the business boom. Okay, this is good luck for those writing exam. Okay, I have the success water here. This is St. Michael incense. We know that St. Michael is an angel of war. Okay, this is for love. Those of you that want to be loved, I have my attraction perfume, attraction soap, attraction oil. You have to combine with the incense. This is stop evil. Okay, for those that always have this spirit of witchcraft attack and all that, you can use this stop evil incense to quench it by the grace of God with other things. Okay, this one is called dollar. Okay, for those that need financial increment, you can use this. Okay, then this is back to sender. I have the soap, I have the oil, I have the perfume. So when you combine this together, it's going to give you powerful results. Okay. Yes, another thing I have here is my alligator pepper, fully charged for spiritual purposes. Okay, you've seen so many testimonies on the channel concerning this alligator pepper. Okay, yes, they bought it from me. The way I charge my alligator pepper is not everything I will say here because of time. Okay, I charge it for spiritual purpose. Once you use it the way I ask you to use it, by the grace of God, you must see results. Okay, yes, another one I have here is incense. The incense I talked about on the channel for an anti-witchcraft incense. You can see it. Okay, I have it for sale in this container. Okay, yes, please, I don't want this video too long. It's almost long, that's why I'm rushing. Okay, yes, please let me end it here. Okay, thank you for watching. And please, for those that want to patronize me, my WhatsApp number is on the channel. Maybe I'll drop it on the description box. Please make your order only on WhatsApp. Anybody, I saw people dropping their numbers and all that. I thank God for my subscribers that always call my attention to stuff like that. Thank you, and God bless you all for always keeping in touch so that somebody will not be duped under the channel, please. Okay, I only have one WhatsApp number. Okay, +234 8037661649. Okay, my name is Ugochi Uchoma. So if you're doing any business with anybody that the person's name is not Ugochi Uchoma, please, I am not the person. Okay, so when somebody gives you account number to pay him, and the one I saw is, I was just laughing, and the person was, my subscriber was attacking the person. I was so happy that they now know when scammers are on the in the channel to attack them. So when you see something like that, call my attention to it. I will report the person immediately to YouTube, and they will block the person. Okay, so don't be scared. Nobody is going to scam you, and once that person scam you, just give me the person's name. That person must pay you your money, whether in life or in death. That is an assurance. But I didn't say you should go and fall prey to that scammers out there. Okay, but once you make that mistake, please call my attention. The person must pay you your money by the grace of God. Okay, yes, I've ended the video here. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Good night.